Young gun no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Let this man fly like a bird.
Let's get ready to rumble.
Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I'm never be heard. Pick up the phone, I swear. Try and speak that hurt. Young gun no one that ain't working my nerves. I'm about to go. Young gun no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Let this man fly like a bird. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purse. Young, I don't want that, they working my nerves. I'm about to pause.
Had a passenger who had diarrhea all the way through the airplane.
A passenger's horrific bowel movement forced a Delta flight from Atlanta to Barcelona to turn around. In a text message sent to air traffic control, the captain explained there was diarrhea all over the aircraft.
Negative, it's just a biohazard issue. We've had a passenger who had diarrhea all the way through the airplane, so they want us to come back to Atlanta.
The passenger said it dribbled down the aisle, and after using vanilla-scented disinfectant, the plane smelt like vanilla poop. They agreed the pilots made the right decision and had to rip out the carpets once they landed.
A Delta Airlines flight from Atlanta to Barcelona was forced to turn around after a passenger had a severe case of diarrhea. The plane was 2 hours into the 8-hour flight when it had to make a U-turn, when it was reported that there was a biohazard issue on board. The plane had to undergo a 5-hour cleanup operation, including replacing the entire carpet. According to flight data, Flight DL194, with 336 passengers on board, departed Atlanta International Airport at 8:29 p.m. Friday, for its 8-hour flight, when it was forced to turn around over 2 hours after its departure. It's just a biohazard issue. We had a passenger who had diarrhea all the way through the airplane, so they want us to come back to Atlanta, a Delta Airlines pilot said to air traffic control. The passenger said he noticed a strange smell, like manure. But when he alerted a flight attendant, he was handed wet wipes and had to clean his area. That's 100% withdraw diarrhea. Whoever that was had to be going through that, said one ex-user.